Students take admission in NEET PG courses, MDMS courses based on different criteria. Based on the standard of college, if it is a private college or deemed university, based on the fees, based on the stipend, based on the locations, and another important criteria is rural bonding or service bond. Some places it is rural bond or some places it is service bond. Because after completing 3 years PG course, the student will be bound to provide the service to that particular state or that particular college based on the regulations of that particular state or college. In government college or DNB, you must be knowing that service bond is very common. Even few states like Karnataka, they have the service bond for private college also. But many students might not be aware that even in deemed university also having the service bond after completing the MD/MS course. In this video, I am giving you the complete information about those deemed university which is having service bond and what will be the penalty and other criteria. Student, in our YouTube videos, we are keep updating you all the informations related to the PG medical admissions. So if you have not yet subscribed this channel, if you can subscribe this channel to get all relevant and important informations. First college, what I will tell you, that is Institute of Medical Science in Mulana. It is in Haryana. They have 1 year service bond after completing the PG and penalty amount is 10 lakhs. See, penalty means suppose if you want to relieve from this service, then you have to pay this penalty amount to the college, and it is a service will be to the college itself. You have to provide the service to the college. Next is SDU Kolar, Sri Devraj VRS Medical College, which is in Karnataka. Kolar, it is a very reputed deemed university in Karnataka. They have 1 year service bond, and as a penalty, in case if you want to relieve from the service, you have to pay entire 3 years stipend what they have provided to you. So this is the terms and conditions for the service. Next is Bharatiya Vidyapit Pune and Bharatiya Vidyapit Sangli. Both the college is having 1 year service bond after completing the course, and the penalty amount is 12 lakhs. Next is DY Patil Pune. DY Patil Pune, they have 1 year service bond post completing the PG medical, but officially they have not mentioned any penalty amount. So what exactly will be the penalty amount? It is depending on their management discretions. Next is DY Patil, Navi Mumbai. It is 1 year bond is there, and they have mentioned that 10 lakhs is the penalty amount for getting relief from the service. Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College, Wardha, which is called Dattamega, 1 year service bond, and if you want to get relief, it is the lowest amount is there, 5 lakhs. Krishna Institute of Medical Science, Karad, they have 1 year service bond, but they have also not mentioned any penalty amount. Again, where the penalty amount is not mentioned, it all comes under the discretions of the management of that particular college. Next is MGM Navi Mumbai and MGM Aurangabad. Both the colleges having 1 year service bond after completing the course, and the penalty amount is 25 lakhs for both the college. And last college is PIMS Loni, Rural Medical College Loni, where 1 year is the service bond is there and 5 lakhs is the penalty amounts. So why this service bond is important for the student? Because after completing the PG, the student wants to get a job in a different hospitals. For taking admissions in the deemed university, students pay a huge amount of tuition fees for in the three years. Many colleges, like which are mentioned, they have more approximately 1 crore will be the total fees in 3 years. So after that, if they will be indulged in the service bond, then this might be an uncomfortable situations for the students. So that is the reason this information is important for the students, and it will be considered in the time of the admissions. Yes, I'll tell you this. Some of the deemed university which is having the service bond, sometimes they relieve the candidate from the college itself if they don't have the requirement of that particular specialization. Give an example. Suppose if a student has done PG, MD, anesthesia, okay, and that particular, because if they will be working as and they will be giving the service in the college, definitely they will be getting the particular stipend from the college or particular remunerations from the college. So if the college feels that they don't have that kind of requirement in the college, then the college itself relieve the student. But it is based on the college requirement and college what kind of requirement they have. So considering all these things, I would suggest you to take admissions. If you have any query regarding that, you can give your query in the comment sections of the video. Regarding the counseling services, precisely paid counseling services, if you want to know, you can see my video regarding the paid counseling services, which is available in this YouTube. I have mentioned the entire step-by-step process of the paid counseling services. If you feel that will be helpful for you, you can contact me. We'll guide you step by step based on your requirement. Thank you so much.